If you're a new YouTuber, this video is for you. And if you're also an old taker, you might learn one or two things in this video. If you are trying to navigate in this YouTube journey and you have been having low views for months, for years, for days, you have not been getting good views, and you know that your video is top notch, you know the message you are giving is top notch, this video is for you. A lot of creators think that it is the algorithm, is the title, is the thumbnail that is making them have low views. What if I told you that the problem is the day you created your YouTube channel? The foundation is faulty. The foundation is wrong. A lot of you just ignore some settings and just start posting your video because there are many important settings that a lot of creators ignore. The foundation is wrong. The foundation is faulty. A lot of you just ignore the setting. Think about this. YouTube said do this, do this, do this. A lot of you just ignore. It's not, somebody said it worked for me. Wait, it worked for that person doesn't mean it worked for you. Let me shock you. Something that is rare is not opportune, is not common. It's just a rare stuff. It just happened by coincidence or just happened by luck. So when something happened by luck, it's not something that is common. So it may happen to that person by luck or by chance, doesn't mean it will apply to you. YouTube has told you do this setting. Most of you ignore it. That's why I'm telling you, as a new YouTuber, you need to watch this video, or if you're an old taker, you can learn one or two things from this video. And I personally have decided on my own that I want to eradicate those false information. Let me tell you, a lot of you have turned off something that was already in default setting because of one creator have said do this or do that. There are sometimes when you open your YouTube channel, there's some default setting you don't even need to touch. The one that you need to touch, you are ignoring it. The one that you need to do, you are ignoring it. But I have decided that I'm going to be exposing some things that you need to just do. And I'm talking about the starting point. That is your setting from the beginning. It is very, very important. Let me give you a scenario. Have you not seen that sometimes when you say, oh, I want to buy a shoe, I want to buy a bag, I want to buy this, I need cake, I need chocolate cake. Automatically, when you start checking your phone, maybe on TikTok, on Instagram, you start seeing that those things you have been saying you want to get is popping on your feed or on your FYP, and you are wondering why. Why? That is why I'm saying, whenever you say something from your mouth that you want to talk about, you need to put it in those settings, those things. This is what I'm going to be telling you. So if this is what you want to be seeing often, I remain Vibe with Deborah, your #1 coach. Click on the subscribe button so you get notification when my video pops up. So let's go. Ungwanu, follow me. Welcome to my YouTube studio. So this section is going to be interactive. Trust me. So if you're a new YouTuber, you need to watch this video or watch this setting that I'm going to do. And if you're an old taker, you can learn one or two things and correct your channel to start having views. So you go to your Chrome browser, you write YouTube studio or your dashboard, just like you are seeing here. Then you click on enter. So now it has taken me to my dashboard. Then you go to setting. Like I said earlier, I said there are some default settings you don't need to touch, but some persons will still want to go and be touching some default settings. Look at this one. It's already here. They pay us in US dollars. So what am I putting here? See default unit. You will even see it here. These are the default setting. Then after you have gone there, you go to your channel. What does this tell you? They said basic information. What does basic mean? Like, who are you? We want to know you. We want to know at least the list of the things about your channel. That is what it's saying. Oh, I'm in Nigeria, country of resident, Nigeria. So person will put on that country. YouTube is whatever country you are. If you meet up to 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours, you are already monetized. So I don't know why some persons are putting France, UK, whatever. So this is it. Now I'm in Nigeria. What is your keywords? Keywords is the most important thing in your channel. What are the most important things? What if they see your channel? What is it all about? If you see my YouTube growth with Deborah, I talk about YouTube growth. I talk about how to grow on YouTube, I talk about subscribers, how to get watched hours. I talk about everything. So all these things are the keywords. Keywords are something that are very important. What are the keywords? What are the most important things? This is it here. After you have done that, you click on save. If you don't know how to get your keywords, go to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT that this is my niche. I need keywords on my niche, and they are going to, ChatGPT is going to generate it for you, and you click it. After that, you go back to advanced setting. You see, they say basic. From basic, now we are moving to advanced setting, which is important. Now they are telling you that this advanced setting, your audience, who are your audience? Is your audience adult? Is your audience kids? They want to know, so they will know who they will channel that your video to. That is why I'm saying these things are very important, this setting. Now, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? If yes, click it here. If no, put it here. If you want to review this setting every time you put on your video, because some persons can be made, the video can be for kids to watch or can be for adults, so they want to interchange it. So you come here, I want to review this setting every time. Are you getting it? It's simple as that. Then you set it there. You can put it everywhere, but me, I said no, my video is not made for kids. Then you come to this place, automatic captions. I don't do automatic. I like to put my caption myself, so that I'll be able to edit the write-ups and every other thing like that most times. So if you want to do that, you do it, you put it there yourself. So anytime you are talking, you just see that the caption is there already. Automatic doubling, so that your video can be shown across other countries that don't speak English, and it will be able to translate what you are saying in their dialect or in their language, if that's what you want to do. If you want to allow viewers to clip your content, if you don't want to allow it, you remove it, and all that stuff like that is there. That's all. When you are done, you finish. These are the advanced. Then you go to features eligibility. See this one. Most times when you open your YouTube channel, most time you have about 1 or 2. This advanced feature here, the third one, is after you have spent like maybe 3 months, or you are getting enough views and you are uploading well, you'll be able to get these features here. So it's very important. If yours is not showing green like this, just check it. If it's something you can set yourself to do, or you wait. But I think this advanced feature, you will see that you will wait, or they will tell you to upload your driving license or your passport, international passport, to see if you are you're a Nigerian from whatever country you have kept there. Then after that, you go to upload. You see setting by setting, you go to upload default. This upload default, they're telling you your title. What is your title all about? I put YouTube growth with Deborah. You can put any other title for yourself, because I'm the title here. With me, you'll be able to get subtitles and every other thing. Then now they're asking you description with question. Your description. Who are you? What is this channel all about? Now, welcome to my channel. I help content creators grow on YouTube faster using proven YouTube growth strategy, AI tools, content creations. This is how to get 1,000 subscribers. How to get, so the algorithm is knowing that this is all about my channel. This is all my channel is. So they'll be able to push it to other creators that are talking about 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour, whatever thing they deem fit that suits my description. They are going to push it out. And let me give you an extra tip. All this your description, when you are talking about it, make sure you don't go aside of it, or don't, just make sure that all this is what is in your niche that you're talking about. That is it. Then you put it on public. Then your tags, what is it searchable? See, a lot of people can be searching about my name. A lot of people can be searching about how to grow on YouTube. A lot of people can be searching on how to grow on YouTube, the tips and everything. So if it is, this is going to be searchable. This, they are going to find it in. And as since I'm talking about it and my video is doing well, I will also be on the search list. When people just put how to grow on YouTube, I can be like one of first or top 10 or top whatever, they will look for me. So your tags are very important. Then after that, you close it, you go to permission. I'm the owner here. Then you go to community moderation. If this is what you want your comment to be off, or you want your comment to be on, anyone you put it there, who can post your subscribers, minimum subscription time one, block words. If you want any block words, you can put it here. If you want, maybe if somebody is saying that are you mad, you can put it here. If they say are you mad, they take it out like that. Then user management, you come here and see if you want to approve any other thing. I don't know if I will remove this one. Then channel guideline, I put be civil and respectful, question and welcome, no self-promotion or spam and everything. Welcome to my community, helping creators grow with practical strategy, practical thing or something. This thing is about 85 now. Help creators grow. Let me just put it, help creators grow their channel, because this one that is saying 85, help creators grow their channels. Okay, so that's it. Then I just save it here. That's all. That's it, that you have set your this thing. Then the next thing you need to do, this is customization. You go to this place. A lot of you, your banner image, you go here, you change it. YouTube growth with Deborah. If you are checking my on your system or on TV, you will see it here. You do it, then you put a picture to make it professional. A lot of you don't do that, you just leave it. Then when you finish, you publicize it and everything. You put your name, YouTube growth with Deborah, your handle, everything, description. This is it. It's very important. Add anything you want to add, your link, your Instagram link, your TikTok link, anything you can add link here. This is very important. This is the basic thing you need to do as a new YouTuber. Check it and see for yourself if this is what you are doing. If not, you are just doing the wrong thing and every other thing like that. That is what is very important. Very, 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 very important. Your setting is very important. Nobody should just lie to you, oh, come and do this one, you need to turn this on. These are the major things that is very important, and customization, your banner and everything is very, very important. So try it and see for yourself if you will not move from wherever you are to a better place. If this is what you want to be seeing often, click on the subscribe button so you will get notification when I drop my video. Bye.